99-cent heart attack. I got a pounding head and an aching back, and the camel's buried in a big straw stack.